Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kids. This is your Narsar. Thank you very much for coming to the channel. Those who are coming for the first time, appreciate if you can subscribe and like the channel and share it across your friends. We are solving IGCSE Max Year 11, Algebra 2, Exercise 14. Rewrite without using bracket. 5x square, bracket the square. I need to open the bracket. So what will I do? I can write this as 5 5 is 25. X square into x square is x raised to 4. This is the first answer. Second, 7y cube the whole square. I can write this as 7 7s are 49. Y 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Third one, 10 AB raised to square. 10 is what? 10 tens are 100. AB, so that will become A square, B square. Okay, so question number 4, 5 I will solve. Okay, question number 5 is slightly different. Question number 5. That tells me 4x square half. I have seen many students getting confused with this. Now look at this. How can I write 4x? Can I write this as 2 the square and x the square upon 1 upon 2? Can I write this as 2x the whole square 1 upon 2? And what will this become? 2x 2 into 1 upon 2. And what is that equal to? 2 to get cancelled. Answer is 2x. Alright. Same is question number 6. My question number 6 is telling me 9y raised to minus 1. Minus 1. I will straight away write reciprocal. Okay. 6 questions done. Let's go to the next one now. These are easy, so I'm doing fast. But if you're not able to understand, do let me know. Give me a remark, and I will try to do slower than this. But I don't think I need to be slow. But you can give me a remark. Now, what will? Okay, well, let us do 7. X raised to minus 2 minus 1. Okay, which formula I'm applying? I'm applying am raised to n ka formula. Okay, so this will become x minus 2 into minus 1. And what will that become? 2 ones are 2. Answer is x square. Take the 8th one. This is the 7th one. Let's take the 8th one. 8th one is 2x minus 2 raised to minus 1. Okay, what can I do? I can write 2 as square root of 2, the square. Okay, I will not do that. I will write this as 2 into x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, and what will that give me? 2 into x minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into minus 1. What will it give me? 2 into x square. Slightly different question. Redo this one again. Let us do it again. 2x minus 2. Okay, I'm writing this 2 outside. I'm taking this x minus 2 and minus 1. 2. Now this I'm using again the same formula. So this will become x minus 2 multiplied by minus 1. And what does that give me? Okay, hope you have understood it. Do let me know if you have not understood it. Let's go to the 9th one. Very interesting question. 5x square y raised to 0. I need not do anything. Anything raised to, that is, if anything is raised to 0, that is equal to 1. So the answer for this question is 1. Straight. Without doing anything, I can get it. Okay. Question number 10. Let's rub this off. Question number 10. 10 tells me half x minus 1. half x can be written as what? X upon 2 minus 1. And reciprocal of x upon 2 क्या होता है? That's it. Okay. Question number, this is question number 10. Question number 11. 3x the whole square multiplied by 2x the whole square. Okay. क्या करूँगा इसका? I can write this as 3x into 6x raised to square a raised to m into b raised to m can be written as ab raised to mn is raised to m not mn. अब इसमें a क्या है? a is 3x. What is b? b is 2x. And what is m? m is 2. Substitute now. 3x. 3 6 3s are 18. 18x square upon raised to 2. And this further can be written as what? What can you do with this? 18 into 18 into x raised to 4. That's my answer. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay, let's go to the next one. These videos are going to be long because I'm solving each question, trying to help you all. Okay, so 12th one. 5y the whole square divided by y. 5y the whole square can be written as 25y square upon y. Y and y get cancelled. My answer is 25y. This is my 12th. 13th. 2x raised to half raised to 4. What can I do? I can write this 2 raised to 4 into x half raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into x 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the is just 16. 16x raised to the square. Okay. I think try and solve this. We will directly get into question number 21 now. All the other things solve it, send it across to me on my WhatsApp. Okay. You can have my WhatsApp number. It's here. This is my WhatsApp number. Send it across. I will check it for you. Simplify the following. Okay. Question number 21. क्या बोलते हैं? It is telling us 3x minus 1 the square divided by 6x raised to minus 6. Okay, how will I solve this? 3x minus 1. So I can write this as 9 into x minus 1 into 2 divided by 6 into x raised to minus 3. This will become 9x minus 2 divided by 6x minus 3. Okay, this will be 9 upon 6 multiplied by x raised to minus 2 minus of minus 3. What am I using this formula? A raised to m upon a raised to n is a m minus n. Okay, what is a in this equation? A is x, m is minus 2, n is minus 3. So look at this. M minus n. So what do I get? I will get this as 3 upon 2. No need of solving this further. X minus 2 plus 3. And what will that become? That will become, okay, that will become 3 upon 2 x raised to 1. That's my answer. Okay, hope you are understanding it. Let's solve it further. 21st we have done. 22nd. 4x raised to 1 upon 2 divided by x raised to 3 upon 2. 4x. Can I write 4x as 4 1 upon 2? X 1 upon 2 divided by x 3 upon 2. What is that I have done? I have done a into b raised to m can be written as a raised to m into a raised to n. So what is a here? Sorry, b. This is b. What is a here? 4. And what is b here? X. Now I can write this as 4 can be written as 2 the square half into x half minus 3 upon 2. A raised to m upon a raised to n is a raised to m minus n. Okay, now what is this? This can be written as 2 into 1 upon 2 into x 2 minus 2. So this 2 get cancels. What is left? 2 raised to 1 into x raised to minus 1. And this can be written as 2 upon, what is the reciprocal of x raised to minus 1? That's my answer. Okay. Hope you're able to understand. Hope you're understanding what kind of formulas I'm using. How am I using the formula? What am I doing? If you know the step, go one by one and you will arrive to the answer. Okay. Don't run toward the answer. Whenever you try to run to an answer, you will not solve it. Okay. If you like it, share the channel. Okay, let's see. We'll do the fourth one. Fifth one, it's simple. Let's do it. X square, 23rd. X square, y square multiply by x, y cube. See, this is the reason why I write this as dot. This makes it clear that it's multiplication. X square x, this will give me x raised to 3. Y2, y5 will give me y raised to 5. What am I using? A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. First one, a is x, m is 2, n is 1. Okay, this is the first one from which you are getting this answer. And the second one, a is y, m is 2, n is 3. From this, you are getting this answer. Okay, let's go next. And when you're solving it, speak. Solve like that. Then only you will learn to know what you're doing and how you're doing. Okay, I'm not going to do 24, 25. I'll look at 26. That's an interesting question. 3x the square multiply by 1 upon 9 x square 1 upon 2. First thing first, can I write this 3x the whole square as it is? I'm not doing anything. Multiply by x square upon 9 1 upon 2. Okay, 3x the whole square into x square by 9 can be written as x square upon 3 square into 1 upon 2. 3x square as it is, I'm not changing this, into this whole can be written as x upon 3 the square ka 1 upon 2. So what do I get? Let me just shift this slightly here. Okay, this is square, this is the bracket. Let me just make this correction so that you don't. Okay, this is our bracket. Let me draw it very neatly. Bracket and the bracket, because it's a very important. Now 3x the whole square multiply by This will become x upon 3, 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2. So 3x the whole square multiplied by 2 get cancels. What is left? X upon 3. Now let me open this bracket. So this can be written as 3x into 3x into x upon 3. 3 and 3 get cancels. What is left? That's my answer. Okay. And this is your question number 26. Okay. Good enough. Let's see if there is anything here, any other question which needs. Okay, do one thing. Solve this exercise. Send me your answer on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number. Okay, here. This is my WhatsApp number. Share your things onto my WhatsApp. I will check it out and I'll come back to you. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Take care.